Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. But before we get to our video this week, we have some exciting news.
So a few months back, we had a company that contacted us with an opportunity that we were thrilled to give a try.
Yes.
Okay, the company is xTool, and if you know, they have participated with our Christmas giveaway. They've had us do some reviews on their products, and they've supported our channel quite a bit, for quite some time actually. And what they asked us to do is they asked us to represent xTool at the National Hardware Center, or the hardware show in Las Vegas. At the time, we were pretty excited about the idea, but if you've seen the previous videos of ours, you will know that right about at that same time, I happened to have lost my job due to some manning cuts, and so I was no longer able to take them up on this offer. We offered to find other YouTubers that we thought would probably be better than us and to take our place, and unfortunately, we weren't able to find anybody who could make it during that time frame. So xTool was going to find someone to represent them at the show, and recently they recontacted us and they said, is there any way we can go? Well, we are now I'm in a new organization, and I spoke with my new supervisors and they were all for it and approved it. So that means that at the end of January, on the 30th through the 2nd of February, 30th of January through the 2nd of February, I will be representing xTool, and we will be at the Las Vegas Convention Center for the National Hardware Show. Although I will be working for xTool, she will be probably walking around representing Poor Man's DIY. So if you happen to be in the neighborhood and you're around town, drop on by, say hi. We would love to see some of you in person if at all possible. Now, let's get on to this week's video.
This week, we're going to introduce you to our xTool Smoke Purifier for the M1 laser.
Yes, we actually have a system that we've been using, was shown in a previous video, that we connected a fan that blows out the smoke from our M1 out the garage to the outside. It was working really well for us, and we were kind of fine with that. Unfortunately, our neighbors happened to mention they thought we were doing a lot of barbecuing because they smelled smoke, our wood burning all the time, and so they thought we were really happy with doing a lot of barbecue. But it was because I was burning stuff on the laser on a regular basis. Although they are super kind about it, they said it's not a problem. I kind of wasn't too comfortable, and I didn't want to disrupt them with our barbecue smell so frequently, since I use this so often now. So what we decided to do is we purchased this on our own, and we want to hook this up so that we can keep all the smoke and smells inside the garage. And so we're going to show you what this comes with, how it functions, and we're actually going to go ahead and test it out as well.
So let's take a look at what comes with the xTool Smoke Purifier. It comes with a top, and first we have to unlatch it. So you put these up, push them apart, and take off the lid, right here. Next, it comes with a small filter, just like this. Top, bottom. Take that out. Then it comes with another filter, which it has tabs right here. So you just push it out like this and take that out. And third, it comes with another filter, but this one's pretty heavy, so you would have to lift it on both sides here. Take it out like this, and there you go.
Okay, assembling the purifier to the M1 is actually pretty simple. It all comes with attachments within the purifier itself. You have a hose adapter here. This is simply placed right into the top of the purifier. Our M1 came with this 3-inch exhaust hose, which is going to fit directly on it. In essence, it's that simple. However, they also provide you with the clamp. So what you are going to do here is you're going to attach this. I found it easier to go ahead and attach it on here first. You're going to tighten down the clamps. Now, fortunately, they even provide you with a screwdriver along with the clamp. So we're going to go ahead and use this, tighten this hose, and then add it to the purifier itself. So now that we've attached the hose here, we're going to tighten up the clamp, or attempt to. And there you go. And then just simply insert.
And now we're going to attach the power cord. Power it on, and we're good to go.
Okay, it's pretty much that simple. And now that we've got it attached, all we have to do is to use the dial up front here. And you can adjust the settings from minimum to a maximum. And we only need to turn this on whenever we're using the M1. So we're now going to go ahead and do a test. We'll start cutting some stuff and do the various power levels, try them out to see how it works, and we'll let you know the results.
So we are really happy with the results, and we don't have to worry about our neighbors now thinking that we're barbecuing all day and all night.
All right, for next week we got something a little bit different. It's actually something that we worked on several months ago. We ran into a little problem. We're working with another company, and but these guys have done an incredible job, and we'll give you more information on the actual video next week. We're really happy to show you that one. We've been waiting to build this one, so until we meet again.
Bye-bye.
Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video.
I'm Richard.
Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer.
This is going to be a full blooper reel. Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard, and we are having a tough time today. Take 100. Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel.
It's just one of those days, it really is. Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. But wait, before we get to the video,
Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. No.
DIY.
DIY.
Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
DIY. Hello everyone, are you gonna wave?
So let's take a look at what comes with the xTool Smoke Purifier. First we have the top, which is latched on both sides. So you unlatch it and take the, maybe.